stressing the true values. Let us start this fruitful day by invoking divine blessings. Here is followed by the prayer song Joy. In some ways, we are rivers. Oh God, help us to see it. And amen. In some ways, we are good. Help us to be better. Recreate in us the soul of service. The spirit of peace. Renew in us the sense of joy. The sense of power of good. Here comes Akshit Singh, the sloka and its meaning. Good morning, I am Akshit Singh from class 3rd B. Now the shloka. Vidya dadati vinyam vinyayati pratatam pratva dhanopnuti dhanam dharmam tata sukham.
Now it's the meaning. Knowledge makes one humble. Humility begets worthiness. Worthiness creates wealth and enrichment. Enrichment leads to right conduct. Right conduct brings contentment.
Thank you, Akshit. That was a wonderful message. We should not forget our duty towards our nation and fellow beings. Let us renew our feelings with the pledge delivered by Sai Worship. Stretch your right arm forward and get ready for the pledge. India is my country. All Indians are. My brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of it. Rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind. Thank you, Worship. Let us enlighten ourselves further with today's thought by Sheena Angelina.
Good morning. I am B. Sheena Angelina of class 3B. Today I would like to share the thought of the day. Truth will set us free from all evils, says Jesus Christ. It means we should always stick to truth. Truth will always triumph. Truth liberates us from all the bad things. It gives us eternal peace. So we should always talk the truth. Thank you.
Thank you, Sheena. Today's topic brought to you by Akshaya. Being respected principal sir, teachers, and all my dear friends. I am Akshaya of class 3B. Today I am going to talk about celebrated in the honor of Jesus Christ to commemorate his birthday. Jesus Christ is believed as the Son of God. Everyone waits for the arrival of Christmas very eagerly. The 25th of December is the most essential service for Christmas especially. People start preparations for Christmas, which is called the Advent. This festival, a midnight mass, is considered as the most essential service for Christmas especially. The Catholics, during which full family members go to the mass and enjoy the messy feast of different delicacies. The people are involved in giving and taking gifts. Before the festival, they enjoy decorating churches with poinsettia flowers and candles, especially for the Eve midnight mass service. In some places, people start preparations for Christmas and follow the tradition of cutting the Christmas cake. Santa comes at midnight with a lot of gifts for children and distributes to them. At this festival, the midnight mass is considered. The Christmas tree brings the Christmas spirit in homes, and presents are placed under the Christmas tree and are not be opened until Christmas Day. I conclude this speech with the below lines. Christmas reminds us of the importance of giving and sharing with our friends and family. I include this speech that Christmas reminds us of love, harmony, peace and brotherhood. Merry Christmas to all. Thank you.
Thank you, Akshaya. Keeping ourselves updated with what is going on around us is the need of the hour. I invite Akshaya Shri to share today's news. Good morning to one and all. Today's news presented by G. Akshaya of Class 3B. Protesting farmers meet Punjab CM Channi, demand toll-free movement of vehicles. Minimum temperature in North India to rise amid intensified western disturbances. Volkswagen later to announce price hike in New Year. PM Modi inaugurates 27 developmental projects in Varanasi. Over 70% of requests for Indian citizenship is from Pakistan. CM Kejriwal holds high-level meeting. Delhi reports 64 Omicron cases. Fresh snowfall in upper reaches of Kashmir, Ladakh. Cattle smugglers attack BSF near Bengal border. One caught rescue. Perfectly preserved dinosaur embryo discovered in China. SOS call answered now. Telecom sector touring in 5G in 2022. Sports news. India vs South Africa. Ridwan Pant 3 dismissals away from breaking MS Dhoni's unique record. More than to be makeshift captain from England T20 quit in West Indies. Thank you.
Thank you, Akshaya Shri. As we all know, Christmas is all about singing and dancing. The students of Class 3B are going to enrapture you. We are dancing to the tunes of Merry Christmas. Get ready for a hip hop. had a wonderful performance. Before we close the assembly, we would like to invite our beloved Principal Sir to express his views.
I can see your eyes twinkling with joy, and it is obvious that it is because you are participating in a festival, celebration of a festival. Children, festivals are all special. We look forward for celebrations because all of us want to live happy. And therefore, these occasions of celebrating festivals are liked by all of us. We get a chance to take a break from studies, from our work. We also enjoy good food made at home or purchased from outside. We dress up ourselves in the best possible way. And therefore, the festivals are of all joy regions. Now, coming to the celebration of Christmas, if you look into the reason why Christmas is so popular throughout the world, because there is something to be distributed to the people in need. The idea behind Christmas celebration came, and it is popularized because the Santa Claus is supposed to go to the people around who are in need of something, and it was distributed to them without any charge. So you can understand that when we are desiring to get something and we are not able to get it, it may be in terms of money or in any kind of good. If suppose people are not able to purchase certain things which they need, and someone is able to help them to get that thing, they feel very happy. And it should not be that the person always getting something from others will feel happy. Rather, when we give something to someone who is in need of that thing, that also is a kind of joy. So you will find that the tradition of Santa, which was based on a real story, a real incident, is popularized. And throughout the world, there are people who are able to give something to others. They find joy in giving. That should be the spirit. You also look around you, and if you are able to give something, again, I emphasize, not always in terms of money, give regard to somebody, talk nicely to the people around you, pay regards to your elders, your parents, listen to what they say, follow their advice and instructions. This will certainly be a matter of joy for both parents as well as the students. I was very impressed by the presentations of your assembly. You were doing your part very nicely. It was all well prepared. The only thing I point out here is that in the class, you are sitting very close to each other. That should be avoided because we are having the threat of the pandemic around us. So you should always try to avoid sitting very close to each other as we are having the normal practice. I can understand. Today you are watching the presentation, so you have come together. But this also should be avoided. Also, I advise the children, those who are coming out of homes, to always keep the mask on. Even if suppose you are going to say something, you can say that through your mask. Like I'm talking to you through my face mask, and I believe it is quite clear. You can understand what I'm saying. The same should be practiced by you throughout the time. Whether you are in the school or elsewhere, if you have come out of your home, try to keep your mask on throughout. I feel happy to be a part of your presentation. Thank you for inviting me and making me join your class assembly. I wish all of you a very Happy New Year and Merry Christmas. And I also wish the same to your family members. Please convey my wishes to your family members. Thank you, Vita. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Your words were indeed enriching. Hope you enjoyed it.